Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what animal is digging up my lawn? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what animal is digging up my lawn. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what animal is digging up my lawn. Raccoons will roll up a lawn while searching for grubs and other larval insects. Skunks make small individual holes when they search for insect larvae. Squirrels will dig holes when they bury food. Raccoons and skunks work only at night. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.